Today, I'm gonna cutting Squishy Part 2, and I'm wearing this that I opened last time, and squishy, 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 squishy. And I have a sister with me. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm very excited, and let's get started. Okay. Okay. Oh! It's water! So what inside fit? Oh. It's very hard to thought. Side of it, very rubbery. And it's very sticky. And done. And I think we're gonna try this. Spin her token, just like that. And I think I'm gonna try this hole. What do you want color, guys? I think I want some red. Blue and red. And oh! I'm gonna my hand. And let's see what's gonna happen. Oh my! It's beautiful! It's like it's very cool. I think I'm gonna try blue. Okay, blue. Trying to blue. It's very, 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 very beautiful. Oh, what's that? OMG, guys. I found a tape in my squishy. A while ago, I found a tape in my squishy and I take off. And I'm gonna wear this, wear this, wear this. And let's play something else we need to play. We can play. I'm wearing this. I'm wearing this. Oh, I think it's gonna rain. Oh, it's gonna rain. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I hope you liked my video. And please comment down below. And I hope you like my video.